emotional and touching day for the bride. It's a day of happiness, excitement, drama, love, and it's a day of new beginning. Our next collection is the real creative work of weavers from Benaras to Kanchipuram. From artisans to karigars to weavers, the extraordinary talent and patience these people has been bestowed needs to be immensely appreciated. I feel more excited when I can contribute to their livelihood by bringing new designs in this niche bridal segment of white bridals. We have looms and weavers working alongside to make these unique designs in Kanchipuram and Benaras. It's really exciting to work on each piece from the crafting, its design, through the process of dyeing, and the reeling of yarns through the webs and warps. I feel these sarees are uniquely handcrafted and will be a real piece of divine.